Yo, T. Remember the little plumpy what me not tell you about? Yeah, man, she a forward over. Agnes, man. Yeah, and what that come from the Greek word. Mean pure and holy. Alright, me make you know what I want. Hey, Agnes.
Hey, what's up?
Thanks for coming.
You're welcome.
So what I want?
You smell food, man. You have food?
You hungry?
I'm hungry. Bad, I'm hungry.
I'm ready. What me call you 12 o'clock you tell me say you there eat. 4 o'clock you tell me say you eat. I know what.
I only had bun and cheese. The last time I ate it was bun and cheese. That's not nothing. I'm hungry. You have a problem to feed me?
No. Me have a little something in the kitchen. Wait. Come,
Definitely, because I smell food. But you have enough question, man. I like the shopping bag there. I can't get one and I leave. I need one.
Yeah, them they can just take what you want. But alright, so help yourself. Me have to send an email, yeah? Just sorry about that. So
Definitely.
sorry about that. Alright?
That's alright. Go on. I can't help
You're looking good.
I'll definitely help myself. Food that smell good, man. You can cook. This a food that smell good and it must taste good. Wonder if auntie want another food. Could I ask her, you know? Auntie. Me there eat one nice food. Do you want some? Yes, alright. Alright. Alright.
So you eat off everything?
What do you mean me eat off everything? I leave some in your food.
So it's supposed to be enough if we carry our work tomorrow. I don't say that finish everything.
Really? You know something I like people cuss over food though. You ask me if you help myself and I help myself and share the food and you come and you cuss over food.
Yeah, but I don't say you don't eat off everything.
I never eat off everything. I leave some in the pot for you. Feel away.
No, you know what, Agnes, you have to go. No. This is
Feel away.
no, let it play. This is a dangle word. First of all, you know, think would I be able to feed you.
Really?
No, this is a relationship and dangle word. Oh. You're a
That's
good girl,
fine. That's fine.
nice girl and
Because me
everything.
really don't like people cuss over food. And if you can't feed me, you're not going to close me. So it don't make no sense.
Thanks for coming. She took out her room, having her feet. Agnes!